Ready to ditch the wires and boost your laptop's sound with some sweet wireless audio. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, we need to make sure your Bluetooth speaker is ready for action. Power it on. You'll usually find a power button on the speaker itself. Look for an indicator light, often a flashing blue light, that shows it's in pairing mode. If it isn't flashing, you may need to press a pairing button on the speaker. Consult your speaker's manual for specifics about its pairing mode. Now, let's get to the laptop. Locate the Bluetooth settings on your laptop in Windows. This usually starts with clicking the Bluetooth icon in your system tray. Bottom right of your screen. If you don't see it, open the Settings app, then go to Devices, and then Bluetooth and other devices on macOS. Start by clicking the Apple menu, go to System Preferences, then click on Bluetooth. In the Bluetooth settings, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You should see a list of available devices already. Scanning for pairings. Click the Add Bluetooth or Other Device button in Windows or the Turn Bluetooth On switch in macOS. Your laptop will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Your speaker should appear in the list, hopefully labeled something like speaker name or the model number of your speaker. Sometimes other unidentified devices might show up, so make sure you're pairing the speaker. Click on your speaker's name to select it. The laptop will begin connecting. You might see a short connection notification, like connecting, and then it's connected. Your laptop and speaker are now paired. You can start playing music, podcasts, or videos, and the audio should automatically route through your Bluetooth speaker. If it does not, give a quick check in your sound settings. Congratulations, you've successfully expanded your laptop's audio capabilities.